Just look at this thing. That ain't your grandpa's camper. Nah, this right here's the 2026 Mustang Motor Home, baby. The wild horse just grew up, stretched out, and hit the open road with a 5-star attitude. Ford went and did something nobody saw coming. They took that Mustang spirit, that freedom vibe, that pedal to the metal soul, and built a freaking house around it. And let me tell you, it's not just a ride. It's a lifestyle on wheels. You ever dream of just taking off? No hotels, no plans, just you, the road, and something that moves like a jet but chills like a beach house? Well, buckle up, this is it. The Mustang Motor Home ain't just rolling into the future. It's dragging the future behind it, under that sleek shell. Ford dropped their new eDrive X platform, a dual-motor electric setup, pushing out 850 horsepower and almost 950 newton-meters of torque. Yeah, you heard that right. A freaking motorhome that can outrun half the sports cars at the track. 0 to 60, 3.8 seconds. For a 28-foot land yacht. That's nuts, and get this, it runs clean. 0 emissions. Massive 250 kilowatt-hour battery, solid-state tech. Charge it to 80% in 12 minutes. You grab a coffee, stretch your legs, and boom, another 600 miles of road ahead. That's freedom, man. Real, quiet, guilt-free freedom. Now, before we roll any deeper, if you're already feeling this machine, if that Mustang badge gets your pulse racing, smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. Because what we're building here at ChroMomi ain't just a channel. It's a tribe of road dreamers. All right, let's roll inside. Open those gull wing doors, yeah, gull wings, and step into the cleanest cabin Ford's ever built. It's got that classic Mustang double cowl dash design, but wrapped in glass, metal, and pure tech bliss. The seats? Recycled carbon leather, baby. Soft as butter, tough as racetrack asphalt. They even monitor your heartbeat, no joke. The AI system called SyncFeel checks your vibe, your mood, even your breathing. If you're stressed, it shifts the light to calm blue, slows the music down, maybe drops a little Fleetwood Mac in the background. This ain't just driving, it's vibing. Then there's the roof, full panoramic, smart glass. Daytime, it keeps the heat out. At night, hit starlight mode, and the whole ceiling lights up like the Milky Way. You're laying in your bed, road humming soft outside, stars over your head. Yeah, that's peace on 4 wheels. You got a full lounge that slides out when parked, a kitchen slicker than most New York apartments, and a queen-sized bed that drops down from the ceiling like something out of sci-fi. Every inch of it screams Mustang heritage. The stripes stitched into the walls, the chrome trim, even the scent of the leather. It's classy, it's clean, it's got attitude, but don't get it twisted. This ain't no slow Sunday cruiser. That electric torque hits harder than your first breakup. The adaptive suspension keeps her smooth on rough trails, and the handling, man, she corners like she's still got that GT soul under the hood. It's part sports car, part spaceship, and part home. Ford calls it Freedom Line, but I call it the Anywhere Machine. You can take this beast from the California coast straight to the Rockies, and it won't even break a sweat. Oh, and if you're a content creator, you're gonna lose it over this built-in drone system. 4 autonomous drones pop right out of the roof, orbit your ride, and capture cinematic footage of your journey. One tap, and boom, instant B-roll for your travel vlog or Insta reel. Listen, if you're digging this futuristic Mustang vibe, and you want to ride with us as we uncover more next-gen legends like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and share this with someone who loves the open road. Because we're just getting started here at ChroMomi, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now picture this, you're parked on the edge of the Grand Canyon, roof open, breeze running through the cabin, LEDs glowing soft gold while the sun drops behind the cliffs. You pour a drink, kick your feet up, and that Mustang logo glows faintly outside, projected on the ground like a stamp of pride. That's not a vehicle, that's an experience. Ford even brought back a hint of the classic Mustang growl, not from speakers, but through harmonic vibrations built into the chassis. You don't just hear it, you feel it in your bones. Every mile whispers the past, every charge hums the future. It's wild how they managed to make electricity sound nostalgic. That's soul engineering right there. Solar panels fold out from the roof, charging up your rig while you sleep. Regenerative braking gives you miles back every time you slow down. You could live off-grid for weeks, just you, your Mustang, and the open world. And when night falls, this thing glows. Lines of soft light trace its curves like something out of Blade Runner meets Route 66. You know, back in the day, cars were about horsepower and noise. Now it's about emotion, about connection. This machine right here, it's both. It's got that Mustang attitude, but it learned patience. It's fast when you want it, quiet when you need it, and alive no matter what. And hey, if you're still watching right now, you're my kind of people. Drop a like, hit that sub, and share this with the dreamers, the gearheads, and the road junkies in your life. Let's keep this fire burning, because here at ChroMomi, we don't just review cars and we bring them back to life. We tell their stories. We chase their echoes down every empty highway. So next time you see this bad boy roll past, remember, it's not just the future of travel. It's the rebirth of American motion. The Mustang didn't retire. It evolved. The 2026 Mustang Motor Home. A machine with muscle, a heart with memory, and a soul that just won't sit still. So tell me, if you had the keys right now, where's the first place you'd go? Comment it below. I want to know what road your soul's been missing. And hey, before you roll out, subscribe, share, and ride with us, because at ChroMomi, the chrome shines, the engines sing, and every legend gets a second chance to shine again. Now go on, dreamers. Hit that road in your mind one more time, because this ain't goodbye, it's ignition.